do you evaluate the advocate strike? If they're doing it for good reasons, then good, if not, completely indifferent. I can't say. Frankly, I'm not well aware, so I can't say anything in particular. Good. I don't think it's a good method for advocates, since some people lose chance for legal assistance then. If they're doing it, they probably have a good reason, a good one. They have the right to strike if the law is not against. Positive. Eventually people need to do something, and advocates are people's representatives. I'm not well aware of this strike by advocates, but I can say if something is not legal, then one must stand up and show that it must be changed. Frankly, I just found out. I think I need to do some research before I answer. I don't think it's good. Their work is like business, and I don't think they're doing it the right way. I think it's good. If it helps reform laws for the better, it's good. I don't think there's anything negative here. Positive. They have their demands. I'd answer if I were an advocate. Normal. I don't know the details, but I can say that I'm in favor of laws being implemented, and if advocates are doing this cause, it's serious, and God help them succeed. Do you trust advocates? There are good advocates who are not allowed to act under current administration. Negative. I distrust the whole system, courts, justice, and there's nothing good here, only false and corrupt people. I never had a chance to work with them. I trust them very much. I don't know, I haven't communicated with them. I don't trust courts, but I don't know about advocates. Naturally, I prefer to be aware of issues and when necessary defend myself. I trust them in a way, of course. Of course, people are nothing without advocates. I trust knowledgeable advocates. I haven't met, can't say. Definitely yes. Depends on advocate. There are so many law firms now, and it's hard to know who is who. Many have licenses, but who knows? Yes, of course. Depends on advocate. I have personally been harmed by advocates twice, which is why I don't trust them. I can't say because I haven't been in touch with them. Yes, but the poor things can't win in many cases. In no other country do advocates lose so many cases as here. I don't trust. How can I trust? They took a case from me, they took a bribe and ducked. Of course, for proper functioning of laws in a country, they are important and necessary for justice system and for defending human rights. All the advocates and prosecutors are one group and have nothing to do with people. If you need an advocate, would you contact any advocate or try to find one through a friend? Of course, more experienced, more professional. I'll try to find a friendly advocate. I will apply to a professional advocate. I'll try to find through relatives who is better. I've contacted them and I know them, and the prosecution, I'm telling you, they're all together in this. A professional, even if I don't know him. Any unfamiliar advocate. Never, neither advocate nor court. I don't trust them. They're all corrupt and dirty people. Nobody cares about law among them, even though there are some honest people, but they do so much injustice. Well, I'll want to know the lawyer, how many cases he won. I'll want a professional advocate. I'll probably follow my friend's advice. It's best to apply to professional and smart lawyers. Friends, I think they'll advise who's best. Depends on issue. If it's complicated, then we'll want a better professional who will have more demand. Friends, because experience is important. Friends will advise which advocate is best. I found through friends, and he took a bribe through friends and cheated me. Generally, I find attorneys through friends. Tough question. Probably both. You know what, I had this issue in 2004 and it was hard to find an advocate. Advocacy and this institution is getting established by day in Armenia. I have advocate friends whom I trust. Have you met dishonest advocates? No, we don't have advocacy, no judiciary, they're all one group. If I apply, they just see me once, but they see each other all the time. Advocates and judges, imagine their connection. I haven't met, but I think many are dishonest. I haven't met, no. Many times, given the nature of my work. I have never met advocates. No contact. Yes, often. No, personally I've heard and noticed. No, I've met one advocate and he was great, helped me very much. Of course. No, I've had no contact. For the past 4 years I've been their victim. No, God delivered me from them. No, I haven't met such people.